More than 30,000 Boeing workers are now on strike after the union rejected the latest contract proposal. Phil LeBeau joins us right now from Everett, Washington. And Phil, we knew that a strike was a possibility, but I think it is a little shocking to see just the percentage of the strikers who voted against that package.
Becky, when I came out here 2 days ago, almost immediately, when I started talking with machinists about the upcoming vote, it was very clear. It was going down. When we were with the members yesterday as they were waiting in line, I didn't come across a single one who said, yeah, I think I can go for this. It was very clear that this contract was going to be rejected. So here's what the strike at Boeing, the first one in 16 years, this is what it means. 94.6% of the machinists rejected the contract. They voted no. 96% said that they are going to go on strike. They approved going on strike. At the heart of the contract that was rejected, a 25% raise over 4 years. That's not enough, according to these workers. So 33,000 are walking off the job. It is the first strike since 2008 here at Boeing. And for the workers, this is not just about rejecting the current contract, but trying to make up for previous contracts that they feel were unfair.
That original contract was garbage. That wage increase was not applicable to what the inflation and everything's been, right? We build airplanes. People trust us with their lives.
I've been here for 27 years and had our pension taken, had everything taken away from us. We had stagnant wages for the last 12 years, and we're trying to get what we lost in the back.
One of the biggest problems is I feel the pension is gone. I've been here for 18 years, and I got 10 years of pension. And yes, I understand if the pension is gone, they need to give us something to be able to support our families.
After the Machinist Union announced the strike late last night, Boeing issued a statement saying the message was clear that the tentative agreement we reached with the IAM leadership was not acceptable to the members. We remain committed to resetting our relationship with our employees and the union, and we are ready to get back to the table and to reach a new agreement. It may take some time. The last strike lasted more than 50 days back in 2008. Most believe that this strike will continue for several days at a minimum. I wouldn't be surprised if it stretches beyond that. As you take a look at shares of Boeing, the estimates in terms of what this will cost the company, at a minimum $500 million to $1 billion. But that's just the beginning, guys. Most believe the longer this goes on, this is going to put further pressure not only on the cash flow at this company, but financially. Near-term financials, the impact will be severe. So for Boeing, it's a matter of seeing how quickly they can get back to the table, perhaps negotiate a new contract. But the bottom line is this, guys. The workers here plan to stay out. And I would be surprised if we see an agreement anytime soon.
Is it $100 million a day again, Phil, or can we double that, or is it that's what it was last time, supposedly $100 million?
The last strike, sorry guys, we're right here next to the entrance. There's a couple of trucks that are pulling in here. You hear the workers back here. The last strike, Joe, back in 2008, the estimate is that it hit cash flow $100 million a day. That's what it was back in 2008. Mike, back of the envelope map, and we've tried to ask a couple of analysts for their projections. It's going to be probably close to that, Joe, at a minimum. They delivered 40 aircraft last month. The deliveries this month, once the strike kicks in, it's going to be minimal at most. So a few that have been built that are ready to be delivered, they can still be delivered. But production has stopped.